Hi everyone, today we are making burger. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe. I have my sliced bun right there. I have onions, pickled cucumber, and my beef. Okay, so right about now guys, I want to season my beef. First, I'm going to add some salt. You guys, when it comes to seasoning beef for burger, you don't need too many ingredients. So I'll just go ahead and sprinkle some salt, just a little salt on beef. Next, I'm going to add some ground ginger powder. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder, some black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper, you guys. Some olive oil. You guys, you don't have to use olive oil. You could use any oil of your choice. Okay, vegetable oil, canola oil, groundnut oil. Okay, use whichever one you prefer. Moving on, scoop out some butter in the pan. Then add the sliced bun. What I'm trying to do right now is to toast the bread, okay, using the pan. Ready, as you can see, toasted at the edges already. This is how I love it. So next, prepare ketchup, mayonnaise, and chili sauce mix. You guys, this recipe right here is Sixy Esosa recipe. Trust me, if you try this recipe, if you use all the ingredients to make your own burger, you are definitely going to love it. So we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to grill the beef. So I'll just go ahead and flip it over just so it cooks on both sides. So as you can see, the beef is ready. Okay, this is how I want it. So I just go ahead and add the cheese. So we are using cheese for this recipe, just so you know, guys. So the cheese is heated up already. I'll just go ahead and spread some chili sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup mix of my sliced bun. So that's bacon, guys. I absolutely love bacon in my burger. So I'm gonna add sweet chili sauce, mayonnaise, and ketchup mix. So that's tomatoes right there. So that is my cucumber pickles. Some sliced onions. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in it, and then transfer in the grill, and then grill it for 3 minutes. So that is my sliced bun right there. So first I'll add lettuce, okay? Next, beef and cheese. Next, bacon. That's tomatoes right there, the green tomatoes and onions and cucumber pickles. And last but not least, add the bread, okay? The sliced bun on top. I'll go ahead and repeat the process. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. Looks so good and yummy as well. I can't wait to test it, you guys. See, when I tell you that this right here tastes absolutely delicious, this is me being honest with you. Like, it tastes really good. You know, one thing I love about DIY is that you know what's going into your stomach, okay? Like, you know what you are eating. The one you buy out there, you don't know the ingredient they use in marinating the beef, so you basically don't know what you're eating. But when you make it yourself, you do it yourself, you know what's going into your stomach, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.